guys, can you guess what is this in my hand? Now guys, from the title you can tell that I'm gonna be showing you today how to make June plum juice. Okay guys, in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make delicious real raw June plum juice. Guys, this juice is so delicious, and I'll show you a quick and easy way of how I prepare my June plum juice. Okay guys, so let's get into the video. So guys, here I have my June plum all washed, clean, brushed in vinegar and baking soda. And I have my ginger and lime here. I'm just gonna cut these up guys, and I'm going to juice it for you to see. Okay, so guys, for the June plum juice, as I told you before, I have my June plum all washed. I washed and brushed the skin very carefully. Here's my fruits and vegetable brush that I use to clean my June plum skin, because I'm going to be using the skin. Some people guys, they peel the skin, but I want to use the skin because the skin is where most of the nutrient comes from. Okay guys, so I washed it and I cut up my June plum. I cut it up, and then here is the seed. The seed is very tough, okay? So I just cut around the seed, and this is the seed remaining because the seed is very hard. I'm not going to be putting it in the juicer. So this is the June plum all washed clean in vinegar and baking soda. I'm just going to be putting it through the juicer and then see how much juice I get. And this is the lime I'm going to be using. I'm going to be making one with ginger and lime, and one mixed with only ginger. And then I'm going to be using one with sweetened one with brown sugar and the other one with the white sugar. Okay, so let me put it through the juicer now to see how much juice comes from just juicing it. I got 500 ml of pure June plum. This is the raw June plum juice. Okay, so then I'm just gonna mix this. One mixture I'm gonna make with okay, this is 500 ml, so I'm gonna be pouring out half, and I'm gonna mix it with water. So this should be like 250. Yeah, so that's half, and then I'm going to make the mixture in the container. It depends on how strong you want it guys, okay? Depends on how strong you want to have your June plum juice. So I don't think I'm gonna put too much water, so let me just pour water in this. So that was like, that's 400. And then if anything, I'll add water after. Yeah, maybe like as I said guys, it's up to you how much water, how weak you want to have your June plum or how strong. Okay, So this mixture, I just put like 150 ml more. Yeah, and then this is the pure ginger. Yeah, this is a pure ginger that I juiced. So the ginger is strong, guys, so I'm just gonna put 1 of this spoon in this mixture and 1 in this, and I can always add. Okay, so one I just want to have with ginger. Okay, so this one I'm gonna make with ginger, and this one with lime. And this is the lime juice, the raw lime juice with the skin and everything. And also, so is the June plum and the ginger. Everything here is raw. Okay, so this is the one with the lime. I don't want to get it mixed up. And then sugar, I'm gonna add. So I'm gonna put the brown sugar. I'm gonna sweeten the one with the lime. Yeah, the one with the lime and the ginger. I'm gonna sweeten it with the brown sugar. Okay, brown sugar, guys. You don't have to have your June plum juice too sweet. So 2 of the spoons is good. So that's the one with the lime and juice, and the other one is just with the ginger. I'm gonna sweeten it with the granulated sugar. So this one I'll put just the G sugar. The brown sugar is healthier, guys, but I'm just sweetening it, the June plum both mixtures with different sugar, just to show you the difference in the color. Okay, with the sugar that has been used. See, I put the brown sugar. It didn't change much. It did not change much, guys. I don't even have to put the mix the other one with the granulated sugar, because I never find the brown sugar to make the color change much. But anyways, and this is the one with just the ginger. So I'm just gonna wash the spoon and then mix this mixture with the granulated sugar. And as I said, guys, this mixture is just the one this is the one with the ginger, and this one is the one with this is the one with the ginger and the granulated sugar, and this is the one with the lime and the ginger and the brown sugar. This is the one with the ginger, and this is the one with the lime. That's the ginger with the granulated sugar, the white sugar, and this is the lime and the ginger with the brown sugar. Served with ice, and as I showed you before, guys, so this was a ginger, the raw ginger. I have ginger left, and the 2 limes, and these are the seeds from the June plum. So there's, how many seeds you count there? 3, 6, 9. Yeah, 9 seeds. So I used 9 June plum to put in the juicer. And I got what, 500 ml, almost 500 ml of milliliter of juice, June plum juice. See how juicy the June plum is. 3, 6, 9. So guys, another name for the June plum juice is called Ambarella. Ambarella, okay? And June plum taste is like, it has 2 tastes. It tastes like mango and pineapple together. That's a taste of the June plum. Okay, guys, so June plum juice has many nutritional benefits, and some of them are, it helps to boost the immune system. Okay, the fruit is rich in vitamin C, guys, and it improves the functions of the immune system also. Okay, it also improves skin health, and the June plum juice also helps to treat cold. Okay, guys, and the fruit can also be used to treat cough. 2 or 3 pieces of the ambarella fruit is shredded and the water is squeezed. A pinch of salt can be added to the extract and consumed 3 times a day to relieve cough. Okay, guys, and also the June plum juice helps to treat digestive problems, and it also helps to improve your vision. It also provides energy, helps in weight loss, and other benefits. The antioxidants present in the fruit fight against cancer. It helps in the renewal of tissues and protects against cardiovascular diseases. In some places, the ambarella fruit is used to treat injuries from burns. Scientific studies have also proven that the fruit can lower high blood pressure. The seeds of the fruit are used to treat respiratory disease owing to its antibiotic content. The fruit is suggested for diabetics to regulate blood sugar levels. Okay, guys. The fruit is beneficial for women as its iron content regulates the formation of red blood cells and helps prevent anemia. Ambarella has also been used to treat urinary tract infection and hemorrhoids. And yeah, guys, and as I said, this ambarella is the June plum. Okay, that's another name for the June plum. Ambarella. Ambarella. Okay, guys, so let me just taste it for you to see. The juice here, it is so delicious, I'm telling you. So one of the drink, guys, has ginger and sugar, and the other one has ginger, sugar, and lime. I'm telling you, like, this juice, this is good. Guys, this is a plus. This is a plus. I feel like I'm in heaven, to be honest, guys. Like, the ginger and the lime, I'm telling you, like, it is good. It's good for your immune system. And guys, as I said, I did show you a box that I had of the June plum juice that I purchased, and now I make my own. It's my first time making my own, and I'm telling you guys, it is so delicious. My homemade juice, because you can put as much ginger or as much lime as you want. Okay, guys, or as much sugar. You can make it the juice as strong as you want it. So it's a plus making your own. Okay. And as I said, guys, I'm not going to be stop making this drink because I love it. I love it. It's my first time making it, and I just want to say thanks for joining me, guys, in another video. And please give the video a thumbs up. And guys, like the next one, I think I'll make it with using the blender, but you can also blend it. Okay, I just thought I'd show you like a quick and easy way to make it, with an easy way to show you how to make it with a Breville juicer. And using the Breville juicer, guys, I didn't even have to strain because everything was already strained through it. Like, you don't taste any form of nothing. Like, it's all smooth and it's all fruity and it's all good. Okay, guys, so thanks for joining me in another video, and please give the video a thumbs up and share the video also with your friends, guys. And I appreciate you watching my video to the end. Thank you, guys, and enjoy the rest of your day. Cheers, guys. One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel all right. This is good, guys. This juice got me singing. Take care, guys.